but you don't know me.
This is a really good example of how some eating disorder behaviours are more taboo than others. And the problem with people not talking about certain eating disorder symptoms means that people will question if they even have an eating disorder. Chewing and spitting is an incredibly common symptom. Why? Because it's easy and accessible to do. So if you are doing this regularly, please reach out to a loved one or a registered professional like myself who can support you to take the first steps in your recovery journey.